Good morning, seniors. Today is Monday, April 19th, and you are approaching midterm very quickly. So, one of the things about being a senior is that I have to do the senior fail list on midterms. And you basically have 2 weeks to get off that list once I do it. Um, the rules are actually different for all 6 high schools in the district. So, we're going to go by the strictest rule, which is May 7th. On May 7th, I will turn in a list of all seniors who would potentially fail, and I will also contact your parents if you're not passing. Now, that gives you about 2 weeks. To compensate for that, though, I'm also unlocking more at a time. So let me talk about that for a second. I normally unlock a unit a week until the very end, but this time I'm going to unlock way ahead of time. So this week I'm unlocking 2 weeks worth of work. Next week I'm unlocking the final paper, which will have another 2 weeks to do. Um, I have to know where you're at. Basically, you need to have everything done by May 17th. Now, technically speaking, grades for us don't close until May 26th. But I have to have everything to your schools before then, so you need to know that. Um, if you've made agreements with me to finish prior work, so I can change your grade, you need to do that immediately. Um, so if you have something from last quarter you need fixed, you need to do it now. We're running out of time, seniors. You're almost done. And I know senioritis is kicking in. I know that. But that won't really help you when you're trying to graduate. If you need help, also remember I am available. Make sure you contact me. I will work with you. I'll set up a special meeting with you. Whatever you need to do. It's more important now than ever, and I know you're probably more exhausted now than ever. All right, and I get that. I was a senior once too, although it was probably before you were born. Um, so let me show you what we have this week. So this week we unlock. So upcoming immediately we have academic writing. And the first assignment will be working on formal tone. Watch this video. Start your quiz. Moving on. Then you're doing research notes 4 through 6, just like last week. And your discussion. What situation is conducting research useful? And then all this is due by next Monday. And the Monday after that is editing. Watch this 38 common spelling and grammar errors from Mental Floss. Let's make sure that link works. Yep, it does. Okay. And take the quiz. This is an assessment. This is your outline for your essay. Click here, make a copy. So help you walk you through what you need in your paper. And this is also an assessment. And then you have your discussion. And that's all for the next 2 weeks. Your last bit will be the paper, and I'll unlock it next week. You'll have 2 weeks to do the paper and get feedback, and we're going to try to get that done early, okay? All right. So, the recap. At midterms, I have to do for many of your schools, I have to do the pass fail list. You'll have 2 weeks to get off that list if you want to walk. Um, the last day to turn in work is May 26th. But to walk, you need to be done before then. You probably need to be done like May, I'd say like 20th. Um, and three, um, stay on top of things. I know senioritis is hitting you. Okay. Um, I'll by the end of by Monday of next week, I will unlock the entire rest of the unit, and it's your last unit, and you can be done. I'm going to send progress reports every 2 weeks. So you had one last Friday, we'll have another one next Friday. Make sure you're also attending because attendance has been sparse. Your meetings are on Tuesday and Friday as per normal.